What is up, guys? We are live. How is it going? Hopefully, some of you guys are still awake. It's 11 o'clock here. Sorry for the late stream, guys. Been a very crazy day today. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your research out there, okay? Also, guys, check out the link below for L Bank, the channel sponsor. Do your spot trading, your leverage trading, your copy trading. No KYC required. And also to support the channel, you guys, join the member side. $4.99 a month gets you exclusive content, early gems, micro caps. Just released a new video over there yesterday. Got another one coming tomorrow, I believe. So definitely check that out. You have access to me one-on-one. We can do look at your portfolio and stuff like that. And you also get to know what I'm buying, what I'm selling, when I'm doing it. So anyways, guys, let's look over at the market. Caspa's down 10.7%. Good opportunity. John, is this actually live or is it a fake video? No, it's live, John. I'm here, buddy. It's not fake, brother. Hope that answers your question, man. Shout out to you, man. Shout out to you, brother. Just looking over at the market. Caspa's a good DCA opportunity today. BTC's holding 26.6. Gala took a dump, 5.2% down. XDC down 5%. Some good DCA opportunities this evening, guys. Jasmy is up 3% on the day. Nice little pump. Matic down 3%. William, bro, have you seen Jasmy's volume? It's 2.6 billion. I know it's pumping right now while the whole market is red. I was just saying that, William. It's actually, everything's down like 5.5%, 10%, 7%, but Jasmy's the only thing that's up like 3%. It's going up against the market, brother. What else is going on? Matic down 3%. Good chance. Good opportunities out there, guys. My DCA picks for this evening are going to have to be Dion down 7%. Caspa, obviously. XDC down 5.2%. Those would be my DCAs this evening. And guys, man, Quant is $89. You cannot go wrong with Quant at $89. William, what do you think about Jasmy's volume? Pretty crazy, man. Pretty crazy. I just got home and kind of looked at it, and it's been going pretty nuts. But I did a video last night about it, and I'm not surprised at the volume today. If you check out the video that I don't know if you saw the video posted like 1 o'clock in the morning last night because an article came out about it. Definitely check that out. Might cover or answer some of the questions you have about the volume spike. Pretty crazy. I have a Jasmy article here as well that we're going to cover, so stick around for that. What else do we got? Let's have a look at some of the news here. Jeremy Hogan, did you know that the CFTC sued Binance in March alleging that BUSD is a commodity? And then just 3 months later, the SEC sued Binance alleging BUSD was a security. Now, if FinCEN files a suit again and alleges BUSD is a currency, Binance will have achieved the holy trifecta. William, I think it's not a drill and a glitch. This is a preheated lockup for Jazz. Yeah, probably. I mean, we're getting real close to the Jasmy lockup, man, for sure. And just wait till they make the actual announcement, right? It's going to be, we'll have another good spike, I think. What do we got here? Eleanor Tourette. Binance has filed a motion to dismiss the case against it and its founder, CZ, by the SEC. So wouldn't that be interesting, eh? If Binance is approved, where does that leave Gary Gensler and the SEC at that point? They're kind of screwed at that point, I guess, right? I mean, that's two more massive losses. It'll be interesting to see what happens with this. I want to see some amicus briefs come out to support Binance's motion to dismiss, because if you remember in the Coinbase's motion to dismiss, we saw Congress, which I can't remember which Congresswoman it was, but she filed an amicus brief in support of Binance's motion to dismiss. So it'll be interesting to see if she steps up and files one in this case as well. It would be pretty epic. Pretty epic. This, guys, this Ben Armstrong BitBoy thing is just flooding Twitter and YouTube. Like, it's just, I'm so tired of hearing about it, and yet here I am talking about it, right? Go figure. The only thing I'm talking about with it really is I find it very, very hilarious that Hit Network streamed today. I think it was around the blockchain. They had 59 viewers. And at the same time Ben was streaming, he had 2,860 viewers. Come on, guys. That is hilarious. He's destroying them in views. That's funny. That is funny. What do we got? Well chart. SEC acknowledges review of 2-spot Ethereum ETF applications. So they've acknowledged them. I wonder if they're going to start kicking those down the road the same way they're kicking the Bitcoin spot ETFs down the road. Be interesting to see what happens there. All right, guys. Now, listen, if you were over on the members side, you would have had early access to this gem that we had done a video on about a week and a half ago. You could have got in earlier on this. It's called Layer AI. They just got listed on MEXC. They have more listings coming according to them. So guys, that's why you got to jump over to the member side, man. Like our members had early access to this almost a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. And now they're starting to get listed. They got in on this project early. So you got to get over to the member side to get early in on these projects. I get emails all the time from subscribers, and they're saying, "Oh, can you tell me some gems? Can you tell me some stuff that I can get into early?" Yes, I can, but you got to be on the member side for that. I can't give that away for free in emails to you when other people are paying to be a member on the member side for it, right? So check out the member side for that, you guys. Bifrost API references now available. Bifrost, guys, is the network, the blockchain network that Jasmy has their NFT line launched on. If you recall, we did a video on that about a week and a half ago as well. Blockchain technology is complicated. The understanding, understanding the intricacies of communicating with the blockchain node is challenging. We've set out to make Bifrost API references public to simplify the process for everyone. Even those unfamiliar with Web3, the convenient and user-friendly interface will guide seamless integration with Bifrost. Whether you're building financial applications, conducting data analysis, or creating monitoring tools, our available APIs will enable you to access and analyze account and transaction data provided by the Bifrost network. The Bridge API and the non-fungible token API will be the first references made public, and more API including the contract API and node API will be available in the near future. And guys, the NFT API, that is what Jasmy has utilized to launch their NFT line over on the Bifrost network. And again, we talked about that about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, guys, that new partnership with Jasmy. So bullish news there, super bullish news. We got some Jasmy article here. Jasmy coin price pops as open interest long/short ratios rise. Let's see. Jasmy coin price defied gravity on Thursday as concerns about the hawkish Federal Reserve continued. The small cap coin jumped to a high of 2038, the highest level since September 9th. It rose even as Bitcoin's price retraced below 27,000, and American and European stocks retreated. It is unclear why the Jasmy token bounced back on Friday, even as concerns about the hawkish Fed remained. But it's not Friday, it is Thursday. Correction there. In its decision on Wednesday, the bank decided to leave interest rates unchanged between 5.25 and 5.50. However, the hawkish pause was followed by a dot plot that predicted another rate hike later this year. A look at the futures markets showed that Jasmy's open interest jumped over 9.25 million, the highest level since August 14th. It increased by almost 80% in the past 24 hours. Most of this interest was from Binance, followed by Bybit, BitGet, and Kraken. Futures open interest is an important metric in the financial markets since it reflects the number of future contracts held by traders. These contracts have not been closed, expired, or exercised. Higher futures interest is a bullish thing for the cryptocurrencies and other assets. For starters, futures contracts are financial derivatives where people agree to buy or sell an asset at a set future date for a set price. The difference between futures and options is that in options, traders don't have an obligation to continue with the trade. Another positive thing for Jasmy is that its long/short ratio has been rising. The ratio dropped to 0.583 on Tuesday and has now jumped to 0.9186. This means that more investors are long on the coin. So the market is long on Jasmy right now. So very bullish news. Are we going to see a rally? I guess we'll find out. All right, for you XRP fans out there, let's hear from eGrad again. Every once in a while, guys, we like to check in on eGrad. Trigger XSM, what's up? SXM, what's up? What's your price prediction for shipping? Just give me a second, brother, and I'll have a look at that. Justin, how's it going? One of our members. How you doing, brother? I get paid in an hour. Any DCA picks? Probably just going to keep stacking Caspa. I know I need to get more cryptos, but I believe in Caspa. Well, honestly, Caspa's down 11.5% right now. So, I mean, it would not be a terrible time to DCA into Caspa, brother. I got to be honest, my DCA picks this evening, I like Dion. I like Dion Protocol. It's down 7.5%. I mean, Matic's down 3.2%. Jasmy's pumping, so I wouldn't buy it while it's pumping. I mean, XDC's down 5.5%. Taraxa's down 2%. HBAR's down almost 2%. Algo's down almost 4%. There's some good picks out there, brother. I'd go with any of those ones I named off. You can't really go wrong. Yeah, those are the ones that I would go with personally. Hope that helps you out, brother. But Caspa, like I said, Caspa being down 11.5%. That's your bet right there. Also, just a little reminder, Quant is $89 right now. You can't go wrong with Quant at $89. So, all right. Trigger, let's check out. Let's check it out, brother. I know I looked at shipping about 2 weeks ago. Just trying to find it here. There we go. Let me have a look at this chart here. It's dead for a long time, eh? From 2019 till looks like the first pulse of life was 2021. Let's have a look here. I got to be honest with you, man. I don't like the tokenomics on it. 22% in circulation is not fantastic. Market cap, 11.5 million. What about... Well, we're down 94% from the all-time high of 10 cents. It's definitely going to smash its all-time high, in my opinion. Now, if we're talking 2025, I mean, I would say somewhere, I mean, it could go as high as about 40 cents, in my opinion, possibly higher, depending. I mean, there's a lot of room for growth here. That's the thing it has going for it, right? But I need to find out the allocation of the supply right now, because like I said, 22% in circulation doesn't make me giddy. I'll tell you that much. But they're not even ranked yet, eh? Yeah, this is a super early project. 40 cents on it would be conservative, in my opinion. They're on Coinbase, though. SushiSwap, Gate.io. No Binance or anything, though. No Kraken. Yeah, I would say, honestly, I could see 50 cents, man. I could see 50 cents. I hope that's not too low for you, but I like to try to be a little bit conservative, right? I don't want to tell you $5. But yeah, I could see it. Let's get into some XRP from eGrad Crypto. And now analyst spots 68-month accumulation of XRP. Predicts 27x rocket surge from $3.3 to $90. Now, just letting you guys know ahead of time, just reading an article, just reading eGrad Crypto. We do like him as an analyst on this channel, but these are his predictions. We just go over them, so don't shoot me in the face. Recently, crypto analyst eGrad Crypto highlighted that XRP has been in an accumulation phase for 68 months. He anticipates the potential 27x surge from XRP all-time high, assumed to be $3.30 to reach an impressive $90. eGrad Crypto provides his analysis in the post on X. His analysis is based on XRP's past behavior, which shows extended periods of consolidation/accumulation before a substantial breakthrough. He provides a chart that shows a monthly timeline with the accumulation zone highlighted just before the price surges. He also marks a potential price surge coming from the current accumulation zone. The chart shows that there have been 4 significant price surges so far with accumulation zones of different lengths. The price surge shows, the first price surge shows a 3x price increase produced by the 3-month accumulation zone. This phase lasted from September to October in 2013. The second price surge was a 2x increase coming from a 7-month accumulation. This phase ran from May to November of 2014. The third price surge was a 14x and came after 27 months of accumulation between December and March of 2017. The fourth price surge saw an 8x rally after 7 months of accumulation. This phase was between May and December 2017. This gives a total accumulation period of 44 months across the first 4 zones with 27x price increase, giving an average of 6.75x every 11 months. The 68-month accumulation phase. eGrad Crypto drew attention to the current extended accumulation phase. This phase has gone uninterrupted for 68 months and is the longest for XRP. He suggests that the XRP has been building momentum and laying the foundation for a market-shaking bull run. He states, the longer the base, the higher the rise. That's what she said. Using a $3.3 as XRP's all-time high, he did some calculations and provided assumptions of what could happen sooner, or what could happen soon. Sorry. The first assumption envisions a 27x surge from the all-time high, propelling XRP to almost $90, specifically $89.01 or 10 cents. Sorry. The second assumption is more conservative, predicting a 6.75x increase, taking XRP to approximately $22. The third assumption predicts a 2x multiplier, bringing it to $6.6. The fourth assumption is a 14x multiplier, resulting in a $46 XRP. Terra at Precision Trade 3 replied, stating that XRP would just follow Bitcoin in the end. eGrad Crypto pointed out that the macros show that the next bull run will not be speculation, but will be driven by utility. Terra highlighted that many cryptocurrencies would be in trouble if the next bull run was based on utility. eGrad Crypto agreed, stating that many cryptocurrencies would go to zero. However, a financial expert has recently argued that utility won't drive up XRP's price. Interesting. I don't see it going to $90. 22, maybe. I mean, definitely 6.6. I mean, eventually I see XRP going to $90, but not this bull run, in my opinion. But I mean, I don't know. What do I know, right? It could. I mean, if it does, I hope so. I hold a big bag of it, so that would be freaking fantastic. So yeah, we got some XLM news, guys. SDF joins WEF's humanitarian and resilience investing initiative to support most vulnerable communities. Say that 3 times fast. SDF is proud to support the World Economic Forum's humanitarian and resilience, and we'll just call it HRI, as the sole blockchain organization among a distinguished roster of global collaborators. The initiative is meant to address systematic challenges confronting the 2 billion individuals enduring poverty and insecurity worldwide. SDF's decision to align with the HRI initiative stems from a shared vision to leverage blockchain power to bring tangible solutions to real-world problems. SDF's mission is to make financial infrastructure more inclusive, easier to access, and affordable to all. The HRI initiative, with its goal to mobilize $10 billion in capital by 2030 to empower local businesses in frontier markets, aligns with that ethos. By driving sustainable market-based solutions that reduce aid dependency and enhance community resilience, SDF's support of the HRI initiative furthers SDF's goals and pursuing meaningful, scalable impact. Danielle Dixon, CEO of SDF, emphasized this synergy, stating SDF's vision is to give people the tools to build resilient communities. We believe that blockchain technology can play a pivotal role in transforming frontier markets, strengthening local economies, and reducing aid dependency. It's about empowering vulnerable communities to develop accessible, sustainable solutions that address deep-rooted challenges. On participation in the initiative exemplifies our dedication to drive positive change on the global scale. Bullish news there. So what do you guys think? Anything you guys want me to look at? That is kind of the news for this evening, you guys. Kind of worn out from talking about BitBoy and reading about it and this whole Ben fiasco. So don't really have too much on that end. But what about you guys? Anything you guys want to look at? Let me know. Oh, wait, we actually have an Algorand algo article as well. Any algo holders out there? Let me know. Algorand, Algo's DeFi platform, Lofty, mentioned by the Fed. Early this week, the Federal Reserve Board issued an article titled Tokenization Overview and Financial Stability Implications. We did an overview of the article and here at All in Crypto. Okay, so here's a quote, the Fed's abstract. Here's the quote. In this paper, we outline tokenization, which is a new and rapidly growing financial innovation in crypto asset markets. And we discuss potential benefits and financial stability implications. Tokenization refers to the process of constructing digital representations, crypto tokens, for non-crypto assets. As we discussed below, the tokenizations create interconnections between the digital asset ecosystems and the traditional financial system at sufficient scale. Tokenized assets could transmit volatility from crypto asset markets to the markets for the crypto tokens referenced assets. Our conclusion from the article: tokenization is a promising financial innovation with the potential to reshape the landscape of our asset ownership and trading. While it offers numerous benefits, it's essential to be aware of the financial stability implications as the market for tokenized assets grows. So, list of tokenized projects that were mentioned: digital bonds issued by the European Investment Bank, JP Morgan's Oxy platform, Obligate, Franklin Templeton's tokenized money, Ondo Finance, Realty, Matrix Docs, Lofty, which is what we're talking about here, right? It's the Algo's DeFi platform. So it was mentioned specifically in the article. So what is Lofty? From the Fed's article, Lofty is a platform that provides the ability to fractionally own U.S. rental properties through the Algorand blockchain. They operate very similarly to Realty, where properties are transferred from sellers to Lofty by placing each property under an independent LLC, and membership shares of the LLC are tokenized. The returns from holding these tokens come from the rental income and property appreciation. It is unlikely that there would be an option to redeem as a reference asset as a legal claim to the returns generated by the token, not the property itself. Conclusion: it is nice to see a Algorand DeFi project being mentioned by the likes of the Federal Reserve Board. Algorand has suffered at the hands of the SEC and Gary Gensler, loosely calling it a security under the Coinbase and Binance lawsuits. A lack of regulatory clarity is stalling the crypto space, perhaps purposefully and perhaps ignorantly. Algorand have any partnerships with large financial and SMEs that right now are likely unable to fully dive into the depths of these partnerships due to the regulatory fears. The fact that the Federal Reserve mentions a Algorand DeFi project could be seen as a positive sign. We will keep you up to date on this. So, what do you guys think about that? I do like All in Crypto. It was an article by All in Crypto. I am a fan of their channel, so to speak. They're a reliable source. Very, very smart guy, in my opinion. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys hold Algorand. And you know, I am very bullish on Algorand. I hold a giant bag of Algorand. So yeah, I do hold giant bags. That's what she said. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that is the news this evening. Smash a like, smash the subscribe button, guys. Check out the channel sponsor LBank down below. Do your spot trading, leverage trading, copy trading down there. No KYC required. And check out the member side, guys, if you want in on projects early. And like Layer AI that we talked about earlier in this stream. Like I said, guys, we brought that gem to the member side about 2 weeks ago. People got in, or our members got in early on it. And now they're starting to get listed everywhere as of today. So if you want to get in early on these projects before they start getting listed and stuff like that, you got to get over on the member side. So check that out, and it supports the channel. So anyway, guys, thank you guys for coming in this evening. I know it's a late stream, so I appreciate you guys coming and watching. Means a lot. I really enjoy doing this, and I was hoping at least some of you guys would be on, and you are. Justin, one of our members. Good to see you on, brother. Thanks for coming, man. I appreciate it. Hope you picked up some Casper, brother. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.